They cry for kids, cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. You will be a kid, but a day vanishing away. But they will cry for this and not their kids getting robbed. Their kids right now. Right now they cry for kids not there. They hate their children, robbing them of everything right here. Don't need your parents, they can replace. It won't be a problem, you will be fine. When you should have funerals for the things they kill. The love of a parent and you see not will you not be parents, and what do you expect? Who is you, honor strangers or you? They are robbing your parents and they are raping you, getting you to rob yourself by aiming at your own parent. You fools, shut your mouth, bastard states. They are paying men to arm themselves to attack you locally. They cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. Wake up and see you now. Heed my words and return to your God now. Mouse traps, evil nets, they shall fall in. Post-noctua, they literally partake in with your American sons to sacrifice in gentle courts. Change the image of God, take away dominion. Have no cornerstone of royalty, boys, and told to become they pay for you to be. But it counts you less than $20 value, 7th Amendment. So the kids in custody, it's taboos caught up. And you're treated less than a criminal with the victim accuser. You just honored your father and mother. They cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. Ring, padlock, dog tricks to cause a sick twist in the kids. Parent calls instead of salivating states. It's cruel, unusual, slandering kid. Fuck a woman, beat her, but to the man himself they won't say none of this shit. Only leads to the boys getting beaten, girls now too. It's your parent they kill, but in front of you, it is you. Slander pattern, they do the kids for satanic brainwashing, leprosy, setting police to pull you, killing and killing your candidate. They cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. Don't fear or panic, these pussies are so pussy. They must group gang circle little boys if they have the slightest of honor for fathers. This is a powerhouse and battle arena. See you, the American Revolution. Rich had a hard time jumping an ocean to break up families. I said usually I'm no business too. These are afraid of you, keeping your image in God, cause then you have dominion over them all. Not bowing down to the idol, fearing none of the slaves that do. So coward, they killed their mother to their kids. They cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. And they all together walk by this again and again. And the don't choose God, it's no God, but they are making gods out of all of the shit they feed. I'll kill you swiftly. They cry for kids not there. They cry for kids not there. Nothing you can do, bullshit, you fool, you can tell the truth. They cry for kids. They cry for kids.